Init-init na chismis, kakapasok lang na balita. Ayon sa Zan, the most talked about performances in Philippine cinema 2025 ay si Bel Mariano para sa Meet Great in Bay. Ayon sa kanila, Mariano delivered one of her most talked about performances of the year as a Jerry for Meet Great in Bay with a quiet strength and deep. She posed herself emotionally in a role very different from her previous work, showing a more mature side of her acting that resonated with audiences. Viewers and critics noted how she carried heavy moments with sincerity and poise, making the character's pain, longing, and love feel real and grounded. And working alongside seasoned actors like Maricel Soriano and Piolo Pascual, Belle held her own and proved she could handle emotionally demanding material with confidence. Ayon sa kanila, she posed herself emotionally and role very different from her previous work, showing a more mature side of her acting that resonated with audiences. Iba talaga ang ating Gen Z superstar. Napansin nila kung gaano siya kagaling.